Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to automate device version info collection using Python class and NetMiko. Okay, so we are going to collect the show version output from network devices or route servers in this case using Python and NetMiko. And this script gathers system information or the show version output, saves it to uniquely named files, and each file includes a readable timestamp for easy identification and tracking. All right, so I got steps here, so let's just follow the steps. So step one is we need to import required modules. So we are importing this class ConnectHandler from this module or library, and we are importing this, I believe this is a function, datetime function from the module datetime. Okay, so we have a comment here that says timestamping file names. Okay, and the next step is to define the network class. So this is how we define the network class. So the keyword class, network class, colon, and this is the constructor or the init module, right? So we are passing in the self, hostname, device type, and username. So this means that username is just optional. So we can either pass in the username or not. And then here we have these attributes, right? So self.hostname, self.device type, and self.username. Okay. And in this part, we are defining a method or function. And of course, the self is referring to the object itself. And this is this is basically the step 3. So connect to the device using NetMiko. So here what we are doing here is we are assigning the result of this expression, or in other words, this is the class, right? This is the class name, and these are the parameters, and we are assigning, like I said, the result of this into a variable called connection. So this is now the object, and then we are calling the send command function or method, and we are assigning the result of this into a variable called output, and then we are disconnecting the connection. All right, so the next step is generate time-stamped file name. So we are assigning the result of this expression into a variable called timestamp, which is a string. And same here, we are assigning the result of this expression into a variable called file name. And step 6 is we are saving the output to the file. So here, what we are doing here is we are just opening or creating a file and call it file, right? And we are using this as the file, right? Or the file name rather. And then we are writing the output, which is the output of this show version command. We are writing that into the file. Okay. And we are saying that show version info saved for the host name and the file name. Okay. And step 7 is we are creating objects or device objects. So this is how you create device objects. So this is the class name, right? Or the class network device, and we are passing all these arguments. And here we have, so this is device 1 and device 2, same. We are passing these arguments without the username. And the last step is to collect show version output from each device. So this is how you basically call the method. So the method is called collect version info, right? Here. So now we can actually go ahead and run this code and see what happens. Okay, so it looks successful. So show version info saved for this device in this file name. Okay, and same here, which is device 2, right? And in this file name. Okay, and if we open the file, this is the output of device 1, right? And this is the output of device 2. So yeah, so that's how you can automate device version info collection using Python class and NetMiko. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.